guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the second half of my kitchen cleaning, declutter, organization, all that good stuff. If you missed the first half, I will leave that video down below. I just split them up because it's a lot. It is a big project, so keep that in mind if you decide to tackle something like this yourself. And I decided to start with these drawers that were the worst because I know myself and I know if I don't start with these first, if I go to them last, I'll end up just not wanting to do it and then I'll just leave it the way it is. So I did these first. This is probably my absolute favorite cabinet slash drawers in my entire kitchen. I would take these drawers with me anywhere I go if I ever have any other kitchen. This is the pots and pans drawer. It makes it so easy and I would not want it any other way. If you thought that first drawer was our junk drawer, you would be mistaken. This is actually our junk drawer. The other one just happens to collect some junk as well. I just wanted to clean this out, get rid of what I know we don't use, and just reorganize it a little bit. Almost all of the organizers that you're seeing in this video are actually from IKEA. Except for our silverware drawer one. It's, I want to say probably Walmart or something, just a bamboo silverware one, but everything else is IKEA. This cabinet just also collects some random things like our platter that we use for Thanksgiving, a random cast iron pan, and then I also keep in here like any mail that I want to shred. I'll put it into just an old gift bag, just some random tools like little multi-tools so that I have like a screwdriver or something quick to grab. Then I also keep our really important folders. I have a folder for me and my husband with like birth certificates, social security cards, passports, anything that's really important. And then I also have one specifically for Grayson now, and I've just been keeping everything in there for him. This cabinet I keep pretty organized. I use it almost every single day. I had one item that I wanted to remove. I swear everything else in there I use. And then in my silverware drawer, I just had some baby spoons I needed to get rid of and some other random little things. But for the most part, I just wanted to clean this drawer out. Or clean it, like wipe it down. I don't know about you guys, but I find that it's difficult to declutter the kitchen because a lot of things in the kitchen you may use maybe once or twice a year, but you still want to use them, like a turkey platter. You want that, but you use it like maybe once or twice. These are goggles, yes, for swimming. If you've never tried using this while cutting up onions, you should, because you will not cry and it's amazing and I use them every time and that's why they're in my kitchen. And the final drawer down here is all of my towels and like oven mitts. Just have regular towels, cleaning towels, oven mitts, stuff like that. Couple rolling pins, nothing too fancy. And to finish off with this kitchen cleaning and declutter, I am just taking one of the orange cleaning products used for wood and cleaning all of the cabinets. My cabinets don't get too greasy or anything. I keep up with it pretty well, so it's just pretty much like a wipe down, make them shine really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing by clicking that button down below to join the little family that we're growing here on YouTube. And I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.